Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2020 Kawasaki KRX 1000. This video is about the sport front bumper, which is part number 99994-1301, as well as the headlight guard, part number 99994-1302. There are two separate part numbers, two separate pieces to put this together, if you will. Basically, everything down this pipe and along here, this is the lower bumper or the sport bumper, if you will. Very simple install on this, you guys. You've got a couple bolts down here and a bracket with 3 bolts on this side right back here behind the plastics. Really easy to install. Only takes a few minutes to get done. And then the headlight guard that you see up along here, this is, again, a separate part number, also very easy install. You do have a couple of holes where you can install the bolts along here. One tip, if you will, as you're going to install the bolts up here, be super careful on this side, as this side's not as crucial on this back side. Let me give you a sneak peek here on that. Basically, you've just got a bolt right there that's bolting it to the lower sport bumper. But this bolt right here that goes up through, be really careful. Make sure you get that thing threaded on so you don't drop it down into the tube. If that happens, you're going to have to uninstall the sport bumper, tip it upside down to get your bolt out. So be a little cautious on that. Very good looks on this bumper from Kawasaki. The headlight guard adds that added protection. Very good looking. Gives it that nice bold look. What do you guys think? Do you like the bumper? Have you seen anything else out there better from the aftermarket world? Great styling, matches the machine really well. If you have any questions, post up in the comments below. We'll have a link to the products down in the description. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. If you'd like to talk to me, 435-851-3637. You can call or text me anytime. Have a great night, everybody. Definitely more videos to come. Be sure and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.